People or peoples? Let's clear this up. We use people to mean more than one person. For example, there are many people in the park. This means more than one person. But we use peoples when we talk about different groups of people, like nationalities, cultures, or ethnic groups. For example, the native peoples of the world have different traditions. This means different nationalities, ethnicities, or cultures. Some more examples of people. The people in my class are very friendly. It means more than one person in the class. There are a lot of people at the concert. It means many people attending the concert. Some more examples of peoples. The peoples of Africa have rich and diverse cultures. It means different groups, tribes, or nationalities in Africa. The indigenous peoples of Australia have unique traditions. It means different groups or ethnicities native to Australia. Quick recap. People equals more than one person. Peoples equals different nationalities, cultures, or ethnic groups. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick English tips.